Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Okay guys, good morning. Another day, another vlog. So nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Okada, Manila. Malaking event, first ever event guys ng Hot Wheels. Ito yung Philippine Collectors Convention ng Hot Wheels guys. Samahan nyo kami, kasama ko si Mike nandun sa harap. Isa-isayin natin to guys. Okay, let's go! Morning.
Hi boss, Tigel.
Morning po. Bone shaker. Shake down. Baka sir, meron kayo sa shoutout.
Shoutout lang sa mga Cavite boys, sa Bulacan boys, kay Sir Mark, thank you very much for the opportunity. And yun, check out our page, Shakedown Collectibles, like, follow and share. Daming updates. Thank you.
Ikot tayo guys. Morning ko. Meron tayong i-hunt dito guys na ano eh, na Hot Wheels.
Yes po, balista pa po lang.
Morning po.
Lalo pinibenta mo mga Allenby. Allenby.
Nawan!
Lakad tayo guys. So hanggang dulo to. Marami ng tao dito ngayon. May hinahanap tayo na specific na Hot Wheels, yung kulang ko. May nakita na tayo nung una, 250 pesos eh. But let's see, baka makahanap pa tayo na mura.
May bakto.
I love the feeling you bring to me early on. It's exactly what I've been in for. Give it to me strong and make me proud like my best
Ed!
I like it, but I'm drinking it, it's in the air, I just love it. This don't break my bone, but it's with excitement.
Ed, picture.
kasama rin din sa amin.
Good morning. Hi. You want to say hi to my vlog? Or you want to promote your...
Hindi ako naman.
Okay.
Ito po may mga page po kami. Meron po kami dito.
Okay.
Ito po yung premium namin.
Favorite?
How much?
My custom. Dude, make me an offer. Come on, let's go.
You can have one.
Sure. Ito lang ng 850 pero
Ganda, ganda. Ganda ng pagkakagawa ng costume nyo, guys. Oh. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng bone shaker nyo.
real riders.
Okay guys, back to the vlog. Break muna tayo. Kasama natin si Mike. Mike, oh. Ayan. So, naka-live siya guys. Kanina pa kami nandito, around 11 o'clock nung dumating kami. Dumaan muna kami dun sa admin area ng Okada para mag-renew ng ano namin, Okada card. Tapos ngayon, nandito na kami guys. Pinakamalaking event dito sa Crystal Pavilion dito sa Okada. Yung first ever na Philippine Collectors Convention ng Hot Wheels. Ayan. Samahan nyo kami ni Mike guys. Papakita namin sa inyo lahat ng mga bagong Hot Wheels dito. So lahat ng mga hindi nyo pa nakikita, makikita nyo rito. So ano pa ba? Yung mga, hindi lang Hot Wheels nandito guys. Toys, meron din. Tapos mga miniature na mga laruan. Ayan. So pakita namin sa inyo. Samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go! This one is fire. The 7-Eleven. Sir, thank you very much, sir. You want to promote something on my vlog?
What is your name?
World of Diecast.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Thank you for stopping by.
yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Ano yung dati pinunta ko hindi mo nakuha, hindi nagpapasay ko. Hindi ka umabot. Ano yung sabi niya na mas maigi ko ulit yung papasay niyo siya?
Ang ganda, no?
Tinitinda mo ba to? Hindi ko alam ang paninda mo. Itong blue o display lang? No, this one.
Lakad tayo, lakad.
Oh my God. Okay.
Lakad na tayo, guys.
Tara. Ha? Grabe, di ba? Ganda, oh. Doon tayo, Mike. Mahaba pa yan. Sorry.
I'm doubting you. I'll be back. Thank you. Thank you. I've been looking for the
Okay, Malaya. Cheers. Hello, how you going?
Hello, hi. Good morning. So guys, nakabili tayo ng ng Hot Wheels. Yung matagal ko nang hinahunt. Nakita ko rin dito. Reveal ko sa inyo sa bahay pag uwi natin. Excuse me. Good morning po.
Ito po, 150.
Thank you. Morning po. Wow, grabe, sobrang laki na ito guys, puro Hot Wheels.
$450 lang.
Morning, sir. Morning po. Oo nga, nakita ko eh. Epic yan, no? Epic yun guys. Okay na yung jeep yan, no? These are all premiums. So dulo na to guys, racetrack na yan, balik na tayo. Tapos mamaya papahinga muna tayo. Sorry. How much po yung ganito?
800.
Thank you. Yung 7-Eleven, no? Yung ganito po magkano?
800.
800 din.
Yan lang natira eh. Lumakyaw ko na yun eh.
Ganda na ito guys dito, mga luso. Ito. Chase, oh, guys, oh. Maganda guys, oh. Mini GT, oh. Tsaka Pop Race. 3 for 250 guys, oh. Panalong panalo ka na rito. $3 for $250. Balik na tayo guys. Tingin tayo dito.
Bawas pa na.
Treasure hunt guys, 550. Ganda. Not for sale guys.
Si Alex yun.
$100 each guys, oh. Super treasure hunt guys. $120 for $150 each. Fantasy cars, buy two get one free. Okay guys, so sorry, buy two get one free. Loose car guys.
Hindi lang po kayo. Lahat po may bawas pa. Dada po lang.
Never really know
Haba pa rin ang pila guys sa Hot Wheels. Oh.
So guys, eto na. Tapos na kami ni Mike, kaya na si Mike oh. Kakol TV, ang dami niyang video na ano, na nakuha. So pauwi na kami guys sa inyong event na sa likod namin. So na-cover na namin halos lahat. Panoorin niyo na lang sa vlog niya. Nag-video siya kanina doon eh. Tapos upload ko na lang to. Nag-live ako pero dinilit ko rin. Hindi, nag-live ako pero dinilit ko rin kasi nawalan ako ng connection. Ayun, pauwi na kami ni Mike. Papagod na kami, kanina pa kami ikot ng ikot eh. So maraming salamat guys sa pagsama nyo sa amin dito sa Okada, Manila para sa first ever na Philippine Collectors Convention ng Hot Wheels. Babatiin ka ba? Wala. Wala ka shoutout? Okay. Hanggang sa susunod na Hot Wheels diecast collection, kung ano man yan guys. Peace out!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time